Mammoty. This is a hand-operated primary land preparation equipment. It is used for soil turning, preparation of beds and drains, leveling and breaking soil clusters. It is found in various shapes and types such as local or domestic mammoty, Jaffna mammoty, and imported mammoty. Traditional plough. This is an animal-driven tool used for primary land preparation from the ancient times. It is widely used in paddy cultivation. It has neither an ability to turn the soil nor a special ability to control the weed. However, several ploughing will make the soil suitable for cultivation. Tri-point cultivator. This tool is also used for weeding, hoeing and manuring of fields of chilies, green grams, cowpea, maize, etc. V-blade hoe. V-blade hoe is broadly used for weeding, hoeing and manuring of fields of chilies, green grams, cowpea, maize, etc. Watering can. Watering can also is a hand-operated tool that is used to supply water to nursery plants, vegetable and fruit plants. Blade harrow. This is also a secondary land preparation equipment and used for breaking soil clusters and leveling. It operates by using animal power. Budding knife. This knife is used for dipping the shoots and separating buds from bud wood. Centrifugal water pump. This equipment is used to irrigate the croplands. It is operated either using electricity or fuel. The suction head should be less than 25 feet and the discharge head depends on the strength of the pump. Chopping hoe. Chopping hoe is also used for weeding, hoeing and manuring of fields of chilies, green grams, cowpea, maize, etc. Compress type sprayer. It is used to spray the agrochemicals. The special feature of this sprayer is, first, the tank should be filled with chemicals and increase the pressure through the compress pump. Then, the chemicals can be sprayed. Once the pressure drops, it is needed to compress the solution in the tank. Diaphragm type sprayer. A hand-operated diaphragm sprayer creates the pressure inside the tank to spray the chemicals through a nozzle. Disc harrow. Disc harrow is also a secondary land preparation equipment used for breaking soil clusters in the field. It needs to be fixed to a 2 or 4-wheel tractor to function. Disc plow. Disc plow is a primary land preparation equipment and operated by fixing to a 4-wheel or 2-wheel tractor. This helps for deep plowing. Disc plow is more suitable for the lands with deep soil profile. Drill harrow. Drill harrow is a secondary land preparation equipment used for breaking soil clusters and leveling. It also operates by using animal power. Fork. This is a hand-operated tool used for loosening soil in the primary land preparation. Example, Mamotti fork. Hand duster. A handle is rotated by the operator and then the dust deposited in the container can be spread over the crop fields. Hand fork. This is a widely used instrument for loosening the soil around small plants and intercultivation. Hand harrow. This is a hand-operated equipment broadly used for breaking soil clusters and leveling of paddy lands. Hand shovel or hand spade. This is used in intercultivation in home gardens. Harrow rake. This tool is mainly used to remove the stubbles, leaf litter in the field and breaking soil clusters. Japanese rotary weeder. Hand-operated Japanese rotary weeder can be used for weeding and intercultivation in paddy lands. Leveling harrow. Leveling harrow operates by using an animal or a 2 or 4-wheel tractor. It is used for breaking soil clusters and leveling. MI hoe. MI hoe is also used for similar purposes that are carried out by tri-point cultivator and chopping hoe. It can be used for weeding, hoeing and manuring of fields. Metal plow. This is a developed stage of traditional plow and an animal-driven primary land preparation instrument. The metal plow turns the soil and therefore controls the weeds in land preparation. Moldboard plow. Moldboard plow is a primary land preparation equipment and operated by connecting to a 2 or 4-wheel tractor. It can be used for both low and upland soil preparation. Piston type sprayer. This equipment is used to spray liquid pesticides. It has a compartment with a piston to provide the pressure needed to spray the chemical. Power duster. The pressure needed to spray dust is generated by a gasoline-driven tool. The efficiency of these dusters are higher than hand dusters. Power sprayer. The specialty of this equipment is that the pressure needed to spray the chemical is provided mechanically through a gasoline-driven tool. The efficiency of power sprayers are higher than the hand sprayers. Reversible plow. Reversible plow is operated by fixing to a two-wheel tractor. Its usage is very easy and helps for relatively deeper plowing than timber plow. Ridger. This is a hand-operated equipment that is used to prepare small ridges for planting seeds. Rice transplanter. This instrument is used to transplant the rice seedling raised in a depot nursery for 12 to 21 days. The operator and a helper can transplant 0.33 hectares in a day. The transplanting depth can be adjusted by the operator. At a time, 6 parallel lines with 20 cm spacing can be covered. Rotavator. Basically, rotavator is a secondary land preparation equipment, but it can be used for primary land preparation too. It needs to be fixed to a 2- or 4-wheel tractor and can be used both upland and lowland cultivation. Secateurs. This instrument is widely used in pruning and trimming the plants in landscaping. In addition, it is also used for removing leaves and pruning twigs and branches in horticultural crops. Seeder. This instrument is used to sow the seed in lines. Spring tooth harrow. This tool can be used for breaking the soil into small pieces, mixing fertilizer to the soil and removing of stubbles, etc. Thresher. This is used to separate paddy seeds from straw and other waste materials. The power needed to operate this machine can be obtained from two-wheel tractor or a combustion engine. Tine tiller plow. Tine tiller plow is also a primary land preparation equipment and operated by fixing to a 4-wheel tractor. Plowing depth of the tine tiller is low compared to the disc plow.